AI is fundamentally changing how we create content, moving beyond the hype to offer practical tools that genuinely save you time and boost your performance. If you want to stay relevant in 2026, the key is using smarter tools rather than just working harder to keep up with the algorithm. I want to walk you through a few tools that completely transformed my workflow, especially for thumbnails, audio cleanup, and video editing. Then I'll show you how Vizard fits into this entire ecosystem as my go-to solution for turning long-form videos into ready-to-post shorts. Let's start with thumbnails because let's face it, people still inevitably judge the video by the thumbnail image first. When comparing two smartphones for a review video, I use Google's Nano Banana to quickly punch up the color and vibrancy of my thumbnail photo. The original shot was a bit flat, but with simple text prompts, I made the sky bluer and the water pop in an instant. I dropped that output into Photoshop for final tweaks, like a vignette and some text, and the difference was night and day. That version actually halted the scroll, drove significantly more clicks, and I saw a direct jump in views on that specific video. Nano Banana is perfect for static imagery, but it isn't a full video suite, and that's where tools like Photoshop's Generative Fill come into play. You can select a plain shirt and turn it into a vest, or expand a scene to create more canvas space when you're in a pinch. These manual workflows are great for assets, but they don't solve the bigger problem of turning long-form content into viral clips. Audio quality is the next pillar because bad audio will absolutely wreck your engagement, no matter how crisp your visuals might look. If you are on desktop, Adobe Podcast is a lifesaver for removing background noise and giving you that professional, broadcast level clarity. For those on the move, Premiere Mobile's enhanced audio feature is surprisingly effective and remarkably easy to use. However, even with great audio, you still need a way to slice up your long videos into platform-ready, engaging snippets. This is where dedicated AI editing tools come in, with options like Glean helping you remove silences and flubs in seconds. It saves hours of work by stitching your spoken word content into a clean, tight file without you having to manually trim every pause. If you are already living inside Premiere Pro, Fire Cut works as an extension, allowing you to edit without leaving your timeline. For those who prefer a web-based workflow, Riverside is my top pick for simplicity, as it runs perfectly inside your browser. It handles silence removal, basic editing, and audio cleanup without requiring a powerful machine to process the heavy files. Submagic is another great tool if you are strictly focused on short-form content, especially with its auto-captions and trendy text styles. But these tools are really just pieces of the puzzle. You still need a system to find the actual viral moments in your footage. If you are creating long-form content, you need a system that can intelligently find those golden moments that perform well as shorts. Manually combing through an hour-long video, trimming, resizing, and scheduling is honestly a full-time job. That is exactly where Vizard becomes a game changer, as it is built specifically to find the viral parts of your long videos automatically. Think of it as an assistant that scans your footage, picks out the best moments, and creates ready-to-post clips with captions instantly. Beyond just editing, Vizard's auto-schedule feature lets you set your posting cadence and let the AI handle the timing for you. This is the crucial difference between sporadic, random posting and building a consistent presence that actually grows your channel. Plus, with the content calendar, everything lives in one place so you can manage multiple platforms without jumping between different apps. Vizard effectively bridges the massive gap between creating long-form content and maintaining a consistent short-form distribution strategy. In my own workflow, I use Premiere or Glean for the initial polish, then drop the file into Vizard to let it do the heavy lifting. It auto-generates multiple shorts, allowing me to pick the best variants while I focus on creating standout thumbnails in Photoshop. While AI editors aren't perfect and sometimes need a quick manual check, the volume of content you can produce is simply unmatched. If your goal is steady multi-platform growth, the time saved and the automation capabilities make Vizard an essential part of the stack. Ultimately, production today is about turning one great long-form asset into dozens of discoverable moments across all your platforms. Use the right tools for each step: Nano Banana for thumbnails, Adobe Podcast for audio, and Vizard for the distribution magic. If you are serious about scaling your channel without hiring an expensive team, Vizard is the missing link that keeps your socials fed. I've linked these tools in the description below so you can try them out for yourself and start streamlining your production. Hit subscribe if you found this useful and stay tuned for more tutorials on how to build this specific workflow for your own content.